19 part C, it's a multiple choice question, and it says which graph shows the relationship between y and x. So following on from part A and B, we're told that w is directly proportional to y. So what this means is that when w is big, y is big. When w is small, y is small. If we think back to our part A answer, we could say that when y was 4, w was 14. When y was 9, w was 31.5. So in other words, when y is small, w is small. When y is big, w is big. So what we can do then is liken w for y. Okay, like we said, that because they are proportional, they work in a similar way. So in the next statement it says w is inversely proportional to x squared. Well, if w is a bit like y, we can then think, well, y is inversely proportional to x squared. So remember the way we wrote that in part B, we use this terminology here, so we can then say that y is inversely proportional to x squared, and we write that as y equals k over x squared. So if we then think about our four options, this means that y is equal to x. Okay, this is the graph y equals x, and because we know that it's really y that is inversely proportional to x squared, that isn't what we want. The next one is y equals x squared. The next one we should recognise is y equals k to the power of x. So again, not what we want. And the last one is y equals a over x. Okay, so that could be y equals 1 over x, or y equals 4 over x, and so on. So if we think back to part B, we want to have it in this form. So we could say that y equals k over x squared. So that is the relationship that links the y and the x together. Y is equal to k over x squared. Could put a squared on there, and that would be this graph here.